This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome to the Willow Classic Model. Enter the front door to an open floor plan. Downstairs, you will find the dining room as well as the great room and kitchen. The kitchen comes with Samsung stainless steel appliances and a granite countertop with an island. The half bath is conveniently located right off the kitchen. Upstairs you are greeted with a full bath at the top of the landing. To the left you will find bedrooms 3 and 4. To the right is bedroom 2 along and the primary bedroom. The primary bath comes with a tiled shower, a separate tub, and a double sink vanity. The primary suite also includes a spacious walk-in closet. The location of this home makes for a quick commute to the NC/VA line. Seller will provide up to 3% in closing cost assistance with use of a preferred lender and settlement agent. August 1, 2024 for more information.